Yo, did she just wreck my shit? Please tell me she didn't just wreck my shit. Oh my God. I'm going into a panic attack right now. Like, oh my God, what am I gonna do without my car? What's good, YouTube? So, my sister wrecked my car. And we about to go watch. We about to go look at the damage. I hope these damages isn't too bad that I can't drive my car. Because of taking my car off. Like, fuck it. It's so she said it's a little wiggle. I do feel it a little bit, but of course I would want to feel it. Oh, they took some of my get up off. I know that ain't it, lady. Crazy ass bitch. Post accident, what happened?
We was at the light because the train was there by the Wendy's on Little Creek Road. And so the car decided, the cars was moving up because the light at Harris Teeter has changed to green. But the lights above have not changed to green yet. So the cars are inching their way up. So we're inching up and the car stops in front of me. I stop behind the car and then the car behind me smacks right in the back of to me because she said the light was green. But it was cars. It was traffic because of the train. So I don't know what she wanted me to do. Climb over the cars to make the green light? I don't know. So that would happen. In the accident by Harris Teeter. Thank you.
Oh, so you gotta hear first. But my second question is, are you okay? That should have been my first question, but I asked that first. But that's the second question though for this.
Well, the back of my head and my neck where it connects, that's a little bruised. Well, not bruised, but hurting. And then, like in the middle of my back where my bra is, that's hurting. And my shoulders right here, where, like right in here, that's what's hurting.
Yeah. My back hurt too.
And he wasn't even in the car.
My back hurt from the call. I heard accident and I felt the pain from my baby.
I felt the pain.
I know what she said. She ain't even no dog.
Actually, she said,
she got chose. Well, we're gonna assess the damages some more, and I'll get back with you. I'll catch you then.